Hello there. So today I want to show you how to deliver a lead magnet with GroovePages and MailChimp. As you may know, as January 2021, GrooveMail is being pretty in the beta stage. Have some limitation that we will need to that we cannot really use in production for now. So for this video, I will show you how to use a free account with MailChimp and also show you kind of what are the limitations that you may have and how you can probably go around it. So stay tuned in this, stay tuned on this video. So, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be informed of other video that I make, like hacks or other tweaking, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So what are we trying to do actually? So if we look at a funnel mapping of it, so we want to have, we will probably have a bridge page, but this is a concept that we will avoid for now. We will have a sign up page in GroovePages with an embedded form from MailChimp. This form, once submitted, will open a thank you page. This thank you page here is could be managed by MailChimp, so you can edit it in MailChimp. We will see how. You can also create a custom link. So a custom link will let you have your own custom GroovePage thank you page actually. So this page can be there, and you can use it to say thank you to your people actually. When we are with GroovePages and with MailChimp, we have two ways of integrating. Actually, I have made a video on that on some part with the embedded code. If we take the integration from GrooveFunnel, if you have a double opt-in in your MailChimp configuration, the double opt-in will not work actually. So if you really want the double opt-in to work, you will need to use the embed form from MailChimp. This is what we will see today. So today we will see how to deliver the lead magnet with a double opt-in. So the double opt-in as in here. When you have a double opt-in, this means that you will request from your user confirmation that they want to get into your mailing list. So they will receive a confirmation email that is configurable also in MailChimp. When they click on the link from the email, they will go to a reCAPTCHA page to confirm that they are human, and you can also modify this page. Finally, when they confirm they are human, they will end up on your thank you page or on a custom link. But the custom link is the same principle as in here, but you have only one custom link actually that you can define per audience, per list actually, per audience, yes. So that's why here we'll use probably generic page, and they have a final welcome email that also will be generic. So where we want to deliver our opt-in or link magnet actually, it's more on the autoresponder side of MailChimp. In a free account, as I will show you a little bit later, in the free account, MailChimp will let you send only an autoresponder, but only one email in the autoresponder. So you cannot make sequence like that. So for example, email on day 1, 2 days later, 3 days later, 4 days later. I may have a way to work around this. If you want to know how to do this, probably so in a multiple email autoresponder in MailChimp with a free account, just drop me a comment below and I will try to make this video for you. But actually this is where we will deliver the lead magnet. We may have also here, even on the single, if you have more than one link magnet, we will start to need to work with multiple audience. This is something that is have a price to it, actually a price tag to it. But we can also probably work with tags, but the tags are not something that you can easily set. So this will be part of probably a next video. If you're interested, just give me a comment below and I will try to do something more in that direction here. So for today, we will see only the easy way. So one audience, one opt-in, and one lead magnet actually. So this is what we're trying to do. So we will try to connect GroovePage with an autoresponder. We will host the lead magnet offer, and we will configure the double opt-in for the autoresponder. So what we need a GrooveFunnels account. If you don't have a GrooveFunnels account yet, you can look in the link description and subscribe to a free GrooveFunnels account that will use actually these autoresponder. And you will need an autoresponder. So you can use MailChimp or GrooveMail. GrooveMail will be probably in another video when we will get out of beta phase. But for today, we'll use MailChimp free account, which gives you 2000 contact, one-step automation only, and a personal pages for the thank you page and the confirmation page, that kind of stuff. And we also need a lead magnet. So let's look into this. So we will start by creating a single sign up page that is mostly done. So we will see that. We will configure the autoresponder in MailChimp. So the sign up form, the email, the confirmation form, the email. I will show you where you can get this. We will add the sign up form to the sign up page. So the single opt-in versus a double opt-in I'll already talk about. So when you use a GrooveFunnels integration, you will have the obligation to be in a single opt-in because of the code that is executed and the way that the integration is made with GrooveFunnels. So if you want a double opt-in like we will do today, we will need to use the sign up form, and we will test the sign up process. So let's do it. So this is what we try to accomplish. So first we will look at the sign up page. So this is the sign up page that I will use. For now, I have here a form. This form is a code embed form. So actually you will put the code that you want in it. Currently, what code that is there is the code from GrooveMail. That is working fine. Actually, it's only the sending that I have a problem to not for currently. So we will remove that. And we will integrate our code here. Then we will go into MailChimp. So in MailChimp, I have audience. Audience actually is the list that you have. If you come into here, you will see sign up form. You can also have access to it here. So if I click to sign up form, you will see that in the form builder section, this is where you will actually configure the sign up page, the sign up email response, that kind of stuff. And the embed form here is the code that we will use to connect to paste into our GroovePage sign up form actually. So we will start with the form builder. So you can see here all the settings that you can customize. So we will not use the sign up form here because we will use an embedded form. So these will not be used by us, but we will use the sign up thank you page. So the sign up thank you page that is here is actually this one here. So you can see that you can paste a link if you want. So this will make the user redirect to your thank you page instead of showing this page. And one thing that is a bit or could be annoying actually in the embedded form integration that we're using now, in opposition to the integration from GrooveFunnels, is that the thank you page and the posting of the submission of the form will be in another tab. So this means that when people will click on the sign up, it will open another tab, which will actually it's less user friendly for the user, but we can live with it actually. I will prefer to have a redirect in the same page, but we cannot have it for now actually. So you can change here everything that you want into this page as usual. I think this you're probably obligated to keep it because you're a free account, but you can change, put the header, add an image, make it cute. The other thing that you want to look at actually is the opt-in confirmation email. So this is the email that the people will receive when they sign up for your list. So this will be this email here. So you can again configure this, put a banner image, change the color, change the text, and keep things as pretty as you want actually. After that, what we have the reCAPTCHA confirmation page. Again, this is the page where you will see a reCAPTCHA. You can also change the color and make it beautiful for you. You cannot paste a custom link here because actually of the functionality of reCAPTCHA. And finally, you have, not finally, but you have the configuration thank you page. So this is this one here. That one, if you can again change all the color, change the button, and you can also put a custom page on it. So, and finally, we have the final welcome email here. And this one, like previous email, is, is editable, and you can customize it and personalize it as you want. Also, this need to be checked here so to work. So it's not always that you will have a final confirmation email, but it could be nice to say welcome to the family and that kind of stuff. If you're sending an autoresponder automatically after, probably you can skip this email and just go with this email that will be sent immediately after, or 1 hour after, or 1 day after, with your lead magnet. So we see actually all this here. We see this. So we will look at the autoresponder. So how you can send your lead magnet. So in order to make to send the lead magnet, what you will do, you will come into automation here, and don't play with this here actually, because they will giving you probably option that you have to pay for. You came here, you have customer journey. This is something that is a paying feature. You have classic automation that are more more classic that we want. So you click on this and you will click here on welcome new subscriber. So this is the email that you will, for example, write here, send lead magnet. You will send it from your main list. When you end up here, you will edit delay and recipient. So here you can trigger when you import. So you see here you can send to subscriber immediately, hour after, 6 hours, a day after. So this is when they actually confirm here their email. This is when this email will go immediately, or an hour after, 6 hours, a day. So usually they are short before they subscribe, so the people remember why they have subscribed to your channel actually, not to your mailing list. So that's cool. So immediately from us, thank you for joining us. So here you can write as promised and you can do save, and then you will work on the content. So, and MailChimp actually looking to have something that is not the default text, so we will have to work on this section. Like that. So if you look at this, I have edited a bit the email. So now that I have modified a bit the email, if I want to deliver my custom report, I can say here, download here. I can select the text here, do link. I will choose file. It will give me the upload section. I can upload a document from like this. It's upload. It gives me content, a place to have my file done. I click done. I click save, and now I can preview actually here the email, what it looked like. Test the link. You see that I get content. I get my content. I can close this. So now I will do save and return, and I could do start sending. So now the automation is good. So I will go back to workflow, actually workflow automation. So I have a few more. I have, so this one here is the last one that we create, and it's currently, it will start. So not start yet. So now what I will do, we will need to connect the page with the custom form. So we will go into embed form. And now we will do it short and sweet. We will take a horizontal. Actually, for the page that we have, yeah, it's probably better to have something like that. So you can or not include this. We say that we don't need it. We will take this code, copy, go back into your funnel, click in the embed code here. So just so you to be sure, what is used here is into other here, code embed. So this is what you want to use. And when you drag it on the page, you only click on the gear, paste, and you see the code is pasted in here, do save, and it's appearing here. So we can do some bit more formatting, having multiple fields. Save again, publish. So publish is done. Can come back to my page here, force a refresh. So it's not pretty, but we will play with the layout another day. So I will create a new email in my list, subscribe. So you see that it's opening another tab. So I will need to actually make this look a bit better. But I could have also a thank you page that is really looking like as my site. So let's see. If I come into my email address, I receive that email. So again, that email can be configured as you wish with the header and that kind of stuff. If I click yes, I will go into confirm your humanity. So this page is also editable, but you cannot have a custom page on your own domain here. You click I'm not a robot, subscribe, and this page will be able to be customized again in MailChimp, or you can also do a custom page on your site. But if you want to have managed preference and that kind of stuff, sometimes it could be easier to do it on your on MailChimp. So you will see. And finally, so all this, I receive the confirmation email, also that is editable, that is actually giving all the detail of my subscription to the mail, and I can also unsubscribe. So now we will wait for the first lead magnet. So really a few moments later, probably a minute later, I received the email that I have built. So this one is a bit more personalized again. So you have, hi, I'm glad you're here, and download the custom record. So this is the lead magnet. So if I click here, I see the lead magnet so people can consume your lead. So you see that this is all the setup. So you can, I don't suggest that you give the lead magnet here or here or here. I really suggest to leave it here actually, because if you give it here, they may not have subscribed to it. If you give it there, they will always have it. In this case here, you can actually make it different on each tag from your website. So a website tag can have some lead magnet, other can have other lead magnet, but for this, you will need to have tag into your MailChimp account. So this is the option that I was talking to a bit more advanced. So if you're interested in this, leave me a comment below and I will see how I can do a video for you on this. And also, when we come into more complex integration, like having a sequence, that kind of stuff, you will need to have paying account. Like the minimum is $10 per month with 3 audience. So, and you can have then a little bit more of feature. And yeah, and actually this is for up to 500. Yeah. Essential. Yeah. Up to 500. So up to 500, it's $10 per month. But if we go light, we can have actually at $0 per month for 2,000 contacts. So it's depending. So now this is a way of doing a bit more advanced stuff like that. Another one will be to have a Zapier. So with the free Zapier, you have 100 Zap per month. In this case, what we can do, and this is something probably for another video if you want, but here, instead of doing an opt-in form, we can do a Zapier integration into GrooveFunnel that will actually go into Zapier, add the user for us into MailChimp, giving him a special tag. So that way we are able to have something that will enables us to have multiple actually different lead magnet, and also having with the special tricks here, having a flow of sequential email. But at that point you have 100 lead per month that you can have, or you have to pay. And the price of Zapier actually is a bit more. Actually, it's like $20 per month instead of 10, but you have a lot more, I think, with Zapier, and if you need it, like adding contact to a Google Sheet and that kind of stuff. So it's pretty interesting. It's a nice process integration that we can do with all this. So hope you enjoy it. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to know when I'm pushing other video, subscribe to the channel. If you want to leave a comment below if you have other question or other tricks that you want me to find a solution for you, just drop me a line, and I hope I hope it's helped and you like it. So have a great day. Bye bye.